My name is Marina, and I prefer you call me Mar. I'm from Spain, from Canary Island exactly. The name of my island is Tenerife, and it's a nice place.
Okay, I'm Alex Keys, I'm 21 years old. I'm from England. I study psychology at the University of Leeds, but originally I was born and raised in London.
My name is Julia, I'm 18 years old. I go to school in Germany, I live in Germany, in the north of Germany in Hamburg.
Hello, my name is Lena, I'm from Russia.
I'm Hanna Taskinen and I'm from Finland, and well, I'm no longer a student, but I have a master's degree in administrative sciences.
My name is Kasia. My name is Katarzyna, but Kasia is just a shorter form. I come from Poland. I'm 21 years old. I study economics in Poznań.
So my name is Alison, I come from Belgium, I'm 20 and I study languages at university, Spanish and English.
So I'm Geraldine, I come from Belgium, I'm 20 years old, and I came here because I'm a scout leader in Belgium.
My name is a controversial name, is Jesus. In English is Jesus, like the God. It's a common or normal name in Spanish, Spain, and this is me. I'm 22 years old. I'm studying business in Barcelona.
So I'm Safa, and I'm 19. I'm from Morocco, and I'm studying in France, like engineering. I study engineering in France at Tarbes. It's a little town next to Toulouse.
Hi, I'm Lana from Zagreb, and I'm one of the camp leaders of summer in Petrinja.
My name is Anja. I am from Zagreb. I am a camp leader here at International Volunteer Camp in Petrinja.
Hello everybody, I'm Anita Ignat from Hungary, from Sátoraljaújhegy, the northern part of Hungary. I am 25 years old. Here in Petrinja I am doing an EVS, European Volunteer Service. I am an EVS volunteer until the end of September.
Okay, hi guys, I am Jana from Oldenburg. It's in the north of Germany. I'm 19 years old and at the moment I'm doing my EVS here in Petrinja.
Go!
Evo, može ovdje, tu ili ne, tu.
We have to tell twice.
Oh my god. Okay. I was so
U nadi da ovo nije prvi put i da ćemo nastaviti s ovom praksom volontera u gradu Petrinji, ja vas srdačno pozdravljam.